how to present the movement, how to present interesting way. That is the classical. Music recorded हो गया है, but I have to give the choreography of the dance actions, so I will go and do that.
Famous Kathak exponent Pandit Birju Maharaj graced the World Dance Day, where more than 100 dancers showed different dance forms on a single stage. The event took place in Delhi and it was organized by Sadhya, a unit of performing arts. Speaking exclusively to NNIS, the artistic director of Sadhya defined its organization's name. He also talked about the significance of the name of the event, No Boundaries.
The meaning of Sadhya is when you take any work in your hand, you have to complete that particular work. It's called sadhana, and it's a Sanskrit name, Sadhya. When you do any work, you have to do a achievable task basically. The event is called No Boundaries. It's basically celebrating of World Dance Day, and we are around 120 dancers are performing today, and different dance forms coming together and celebrating dance and creating a meeting point between the each style.
Along with Sadhya, different companies and dance groups including Guru Saroja Vaidyanath, Guru Ranjana Gauhar, Kalashram, The Dance Works, Big Dance Center, I Am Dance Company, Banjara School of Dance, Urshila Dance Company enthralled the audiences. The purpose of this event was to bring upcoming artists and established gurus at one place.
Now this young generation has brought up these things like women empowerment, child abuse, ये सब ला करके अब मंच पर दिखाते हैं और in the science कर्मा, नक्षत्रा all this. So it's very I should say it is a very welcoming thing for India that our culture is preserved by the younger generations.
Saroja Vaidyanathan also said that dancing is meditation and it is required to reach some heights.
Dedication, first of all knowledge, dedication, hard work, sincerity, and above everything, nowadays generation should have the patience. You can't get anything in one day. You have to wait, you have to wait. ये तो तपस्या है. These artists are like a tapasya to reach some height.
Kathak exponent Pandit Birju Maharaj was the chief guest at the event. His dance group Kalashram also performed. The Kathak genius is all set to choreograph Deepika Padukone in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's film Bajirao Mastani. Powered by NNIS.